Operations on decimal numbers, class 7. So today we shall learn about addition and subtraction of decimals. How to add and subtract decimals? To add and subtract decimals, we have to follow mainly 3 steps. Number 1, write the given numbers one below the other with decimal points in a vertical line. As I have given one example, 2.345 and 5.76. The most important thing here is to align the decimal. We have to place the decimals just one below the other. If I write this like this, 2.345 plus 5.76. You see, here I have just not aligned it properly. So this may make some problem. Some students like this, they do like this. They also do like this, 2.345 and they suppose I write 5.76. This is not the proper way to write. Okay, so we have to align the decimals. Okay, then next thing, equal the number of decimal places in all the numbers by adding the required number of zeros to the right and wherever needed. Here I had taken the same question, 2.345 plus 5.76, and I have added this 0 at last, so that the decimal number of decimals after decimal point become the same. Okay. Later on, when you have good practice over this, you may not add also. But initially, we should add it at the 0 so that we can do the addition or subtraction properly. Okay. So suppose I have 2.798 and suppose I have to add 5.3. So now you see, here we have 3 decimal places and here we have 1 decimal place. We have to add 2 zeros extra so that the number of decimal places should be same in both the given numbers. Okay. Then last thing, once we have done this, we can add or subtract as per whole numbers, placing the decimal point in the result directly under the other decimal points. Okay, as we have done 2.345 and we have to add 7.56. Now to add this, what we can do? We just put a 0 here. Now 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. That, and we have carried 1. And 1 plus 5, 6 plus 3 is 9. So we have 9 here. And put the decimal just in the same line. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All the decimals should be in the same line. Now 7 plus 2 is 9. So we have 9.905. And if you delete the decimal, you see we have 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 5, 6, 0. Okay, if you add, you see you get the same thing. Just if you leave the decimal place or if you delete the decimal place, you just add it as you do in whole numbers. Okay, so addition and subtraction of decimal is just like whole numbers. Only the important thing we have to keep in mind is to place the decimals properly. And as regarding this 0, when we have already practiced so many addition and subtraction, we may not put this 0 also. And you see, if I don't write the 0 here, then also 5, I can write 5 here. Okay, so it is not necessary to put this 0. Okay, but as a starting point, we should put this 0 so that it will be easy for us to add. Now, let us take some more examples. Suppose we have to add 643.175 to 25.2. When I want to add this, you see, first of all, I have written the decimal places in the right in the same line. Then next thing I have to do is to add the number of zeros required. Now you see, we shall add it just like whole numbers. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7, 1 plus 2 is 3, and put the decimal. 3 plus 5, 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, and we have 6 here. Okay, now let's take another question. Suppose we want to add 5.239 plus 2.981. So 9 here already decimals I have aligned, and already the number of decimal places after decimal point is same. So directly we can go for addition. So 9 plus 1, that is 10. I carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 8, 12. And carry 1 plus 9, 10 plus 2, again 12. So we have to carry 1 here. 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 2, 8. You see, while I am adding this, as soon as I cross this place, suddenly I am putting the decimal here. Okay, this is the only thing we should do here for addition of decimal. Let us subtract the same thing. I want to subtract 5.239, and from this I want to subtract 2.981. Okay, so 9 minus 1 is 8. Here we have 3, so carry 1, that is 13. Minus 8 is 5. And here we have 1 now, and carry 1, that is 11. Minus 9 is 2. And see, I put the decimal here as I have crossed it. Now here I have 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So answer is 2.258. Okay. Now let me add or subtract this one. 643.175 minus 25.2. Okay, so before subtracting, I should equate the number of decimal places by putting 0. Now 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 0 is 7, and 1 minus 2 we cannot do, so it is so we have to borrow. 11 minus 2, that is 9, and here we have 2 now. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Here we have 3 now. 3 minus 2 is 1, and here we have 6 nothing is there, so it is 0. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Okay, so answer is 617.975. So in this way you can add or subtract some numbers if you are given in decimal form. So thank you. Meet you again in the next video, where we shall discuss about multiplication of decimal numbers.